Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95. And today, we're going to be taking a look at a hauler, which I got this back when I got the Marty hauler, the Haulena Fecho Hauler. Now, it's not a new hauler by any means. It came out back when Cars 3 first was released, but my stupid self decided it was not a good idea to get the Cal Weathers and the Bobby Swift hauler. All I want was the McQueen. So here we go. And also, as you can see, the new Fabulous 95 hauler is here. I decided the old one is still around, actually. It's right up there because we don't get rid of stuff around here. Besides the original haulers, I hated every single one of those. But the story of this new hauler is kind of hilarious because I'm like, you know what? I made this in a video game, and then I'm like, you know what? That looks great. So, anyway, as you see, you got the 42 for the Cal Weathers, the dark blue Dinoco hat, looks great, and the new blue desert background. Yeah, I'm glad they're starting to give these haulers names so they actually feel like characters. Cal Weathers on the back. They put Hank Weathers on there, which is actually kind of funny, but there's nothing there. Now, what is interesting is that Cal Weathers was voiced by Kyle. I want to say Kyle Petty. It's not Lee. I think it's Kyle Petty, who was a NASCAR driver and was a relative of the King, Richard Petty, aka Strip Weathers. Yeah, I get that. This is what happens when you're a NASCAR fan. Anyway, let's get this guy, or girl, I don't even know anymore, unboxed. Now, let's get into the review of this hauler. This is honestly, I don't understand why Mattel loves making these types of haulers. Because in the movie, you can definitely see that Cal's door comes down and goes right back up. And that's how all racing and NASCAR haulers are. Granted, the doors come all the way down and there's tool chests down and the cars are up top. But since it's the car road, you think that every single hauler would have been the bring it down, bring it back up. Now, for the Walmart hauler, it makes sense because of, it's a transport hauler. But for every other hauler, it's like, why does for the racing haulers, why do the doors open from the sides? Anyway, I do like the designs of it. It's a nice looking hauler. I got a Cal here with me. Like I said on the box, it does not say Hank or Cal on the back. And I do like that it's a different hauler because I remember when I got the King's hauler, it was the gray hauler. Actually, I think I have that little booklet that you got in 2008. Or I guess I don't. Okay, I thought I had it around. But yeah, it was gray hauler. And, I really do appreciate the detail they put into it, but just they could have at least given us the door going down the back. Because only 3 haulers before Cars 3 had it. The Cars 1 McQueen hauler, the extremely hard to find Cars 2 McQueen hauler, and the Chick Hicks hauler. But I guess that's it. Okay, that's a weird bonus. Anyway, like every other hauler recently, in action, you pop it down, you pop down these little side things, and that's your hauler. That's the little door, which I don't know how that actually is supposed to work, but anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the video is. These are all men again. I don't know. I have been trying to get another Smash Bros. Saga up. I've been working on it. It's really hard since I haven't been doing one for 2 months. Smash Bros. Saga I don't think is gonna last very much longer. I think I'm gonna end it here soon. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.